Yeah, because Bounty Killer, I think him have the most songs where it's a dub song. Actually, you know them one there's a DJ, the badness thing there, and that killing thing in the
song.
Yeah. So them man they will make more money more than anybody else. Even where you see some of them are run up and down and twist up like them. It's a save one by yourself, man. You know, see Killer them make more money. You know? They even add it. When added them and the dub, you know. Them man they get enough money for the dub, you know.
Yes.
And whereas was the top DJ, so if you want the top song, then you have to pay a fee. You know, so I really saw the thing go.
Keep current.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah. Alright, you know, tell us some of the artists back then, you know, you have on their wings and bring up in the business.
Well, there's so many. First one I have to talk about, I'm about here right now, named Leno Banton.
Leno Banton.
Leno Banton.
That's like your son.
I'm a son, like.
Yes, man.
Yeah, you know? You know what I mean? Make that Banton then.
Yeah.
Let's see, straight across the board. Believe it.
And the real Banton.
Yeah. But if you even can listen back to some song where even like tell us say, we the one for ram it up.
Yeah.
From over my son now when they pick it up. When Buru Banton and they must ram it up. And this a cat in the limits and me I rip it up. Him tell you something.
Yes.
Yeah, but we get a little teaching from Buru too.
Yeah, I also did a song with him as well.
Of course. You see? So all of them wanted to get something. Cause really, in the business, I was one of the best rhythm riders.
Yes.
I never been the best lyricist. I want to tell a lie. You understand?
Explain the differences between rhythm riders and lyricists.
Well, I'm on with the lyrics now. You can start in lyrics. But you going to have to ride, you know, for the whole night.
Yes.
You're going to have to come, that's the same thing, like when I tell you about a man having one tune, or I'm have two tunes. He just come with them lyrics, come talk, and the next rhythm will play. And you give him the talk, but when him done him knock, you can't DJ for the whole night.
Yes.
So you want to give out the rhythm rider.
Yes.
Because really my name in the business, a Buru Banton, the non-stop talker.
Yes.
Yeah, because I never talk.
Yeah.
You know, see?
And back then you're African talk.
No, they're not going to the something.
Yeah.
They're not going to the something, because watch it run. Even back in the days, you know. I know it's about still, but the truth, back in the days, you come in like a pack of Wrigley's, you know.
Why so?
Because you see, you have youth who come up, and the film style come nice too.
Yeah.
So anytime you can find a nice style, they come like you have in a Wrigley's in your mouth and all of that flavor they gone.
Yeah.
Somebody spit it out and put it in a new one.
Yeah, new flavor.
New flavor.
Yeah.
And right now the same thing I want. You get me, they find a DJ right now where him alone the one ear.
Yeah.
But you have a real bad. Film name start down at the front of the ear and the finish of the ear name out there too. And do some nice song during the year, but when the year done, I'm gone.
Yeah.
You get me? Yeah. So the flavor gone.
Flavor.
Yeah. So
never get to change the regulars.
So film now I'm producer that now. Yeah. Spit out the regulars, then find the next one. Find the next little youth who can do more than you. You get me? So that's why I'm rate that is still because him up. You get me? But him still a lead. I mean, I have to rate that. You get me?
Alright, what are some of the new projects you have right now and working on?
We're working on a project name. I'm my own general. Because you know like how the youth them would say. Yeah, my G, everybody turn general, you know. You understand?
Yes.
So, I have a thing with me that say, well, you could be the biggest thug and the baddest criminal. No man can earn no better than funeral. Me, I'm my own general. 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 You can't float from me tube when I'm there mineral. Man, a gangster. I'm my own general. Gina. You know, you're not one of them. You get me?
Now, before I get into the music, you know, but before we get into the music, you know, how can people find it for bookings and stuff like that?
Well, the truth, they still have to go Barbicandas, you know. They have to go to Massive B.
Yes.
For that, Massive B.
Massive B.
Yeah, because Massive B. Yeah, them man they make me everything about Buru. Them man they know everything. Barbicandas and Jabba know everything about Buru.
Alright, talking about Barbicandas and Jabba, you know, tell us, you know, some of the major events you worked overseas.
My first big event was like with Biggie Small them at Jones Beach.
That was what year?
That this was like about some about 90, 91 that time.
91, 91.
Yeah, because that time hip hop, the boom what is.
Well, that means it's 4 versions then.
So that came up on that big stage there.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I have shows now, all kind of show. What we do, come I have show with like Shabba Rankin, Red Fox, Buru Banton at the Palladium, you know, Super Cat, Heavy D, and them on there, the Ritz.
Yes.
You know, yeah. I do quite a lot of shows. Not for them in the Parkside Plaza, so, you know.
Buru tour the world.
Yeah, you know. No, for real.
Yeah.
No, if you talk about the world now, I go to some place where me alone never go DJ. No more DJ never go to them place.
Places like
Budapest.
Yeah, where is that? No.
In Hungary.
Yeah.
You believe it? Yeah, man, I go to some place where when I want to sleep, I have to call my wife at Jamaica and say, what time am I at Jamaica?
Yeah.
9:30. See me? Yeah.
Yeah. Keep in touch with rest. Yeah. All right. You know, as a veteran, have you ever been in any, clash with any other artists out here?
I was one of the first clash artists.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who was the artist, the first one you clashed with?
Me and Peter Mitchell clash.
Yeah.
We win. I win a lot.
You win a lot.
Yeah, I'm dead 2 times.
2 times, that is good then.
Yeah, I'm dead 2 times. Tiger killed me up a student union.
Yeah.
And General Trees killed me. I don't know if you know NCC Sports Club. That was part of Daily News was. And Half a Tree Road. Yeah man, but my dad did that sort of.
Yeah, honest still, because no artist now come tell you how nobody kill them,
No, we just talk the truth.
Yeah.
And the music we talk about, you can't win everything.
Yes.
You know?
That is true.
Yeah, and someone are going like, you don't win everything. But just tell you the truth, I really, who kill me? Kill me. Tiger kill me and boss.
Yeah.
Up a student union, and the night the man whack me, whack. You get me? I just saw. Yeah, if you just take it, because when you kill somebody tomorrow, or next night on the crowd, I say, you're a night this. What I can do? Man, just love it.
All right,
so you kill that man there.
Tell us some of your highest and lowest point in the music.
Well, my highest point to that say, boom what is.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that put me to the eyes.
Yeah.
You get me? Better than them. Low point, there's a lot. There's a lot, because all the time I buck my toe and reach way back down and rock bottom. I have to start over again and come back. Because I spent 10 years in America, and that's why I don't fight with these youth now to be a #1 DJ. Because 10 years, the youth had to leave at 10-year-old. When I come back in my 20-year-old, and build Beanie and Bounty. So I'm going to fight them youth now for some me bad and Beanie and Bounty. No, so alright, so you're greatness sure. Because true, them say a Buru Banton this and Buju Banton, them take off and they come be such big in the world.
Yeah.
You get me? So the youth them would stand up for a while and say, alright, I'm not going to go him yet. I'm fling that Shande buckle there off him. I could hear what I say. Yeah, I could hear a word.
You might get a Shande buckle yet?
No, I never really get a Shande buckle.
Yeah.
I believe it, I never get a bow yet.
Never?
Never.
That's good. That's good.
You know?
Would I ask if you know nobody get no back in ideas still?
What my friend? And the second super cat not get it with him and Ninja?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not the big clash
The
they
big
go on
clash,
with.
the second and take up back and fling off a back people. That's like a bad boy,
Yeah.
Yeah, a bad Indian.
Yes, man.
Believe it, So I don't think in the game. So that's something I like to see. That's something I come back. And if 2 DJ even go there in a musical, lyrical war,
yes,
I want to lose. I don't want to say the next one I come say about kill the next man.
Yeah.
To say, through the man. Then you've got to look some badass thing now and come back and engage another war and kill back the brother.
That's right.
With your mouth. You get me?
Yeah.
Because we are really mouth bad boy,
But then, everyone was friend at the same time.
Of course.
Battle.
Yeah,
Yeah. All right. So
yeah,
advice?
we come back and mouth each other after. 2 days after, and we will go back a skate land.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, come out here and tell you which way you're dead and all everything. You have to just love it.
I don't think that can happen this day though.
Yeah, what is that I say? I would like to see those days come.
Yeah.
You know? And it's still there. Because I don't see no purple day out there and a pink day. You know?
Yeah.
We're still crystal clear.
Yes.
So it can come.
Crystal clear. No purple nor pink day. We like that.
It can come back. But
like how you're already giving us advice, give us some more for the younger artists them coming up.
All right, now I'm going to tell you the truth. Buru Banton is a status, it is a title.
Yeah.
Real name brand like some motor vehicle. For reach to the top, you can't idle. You have to have true enough like when flower have weeble. Yeah. You get me? So, road is up. So if are you supposed to can understand that when I tell you about that road? You can know say, yeah, me have it and my friend them be back and me and my brother friend them a boost me and everything there.
Yeah.
But enough time, your friend just boost you as a yes man.
Yeah.
You know? Because you want to walk second side of you.
Yeah.
I go outside another hype.
Yeah.
So if him send no, probably the next man get that position there. Yeah. So anything you do, you must say yes. You understand?
Yeah.
Well, I know that's something that likes it. Me that like say you would come with film talent. And if you walk your tour, you go again and come again. Because I just saw it go 7 times rise and 7 times fall and 99 times rise back out of it. You get me?
Alright, you have lyrical stammerer, said if Buju ever tell a songs to him name.
More than 1 time.
Okay.
No, man, maybe got Buju Banton. Everywhere I go,
yeah.
I put that in the interview, man. I get my name from Buru Banton. Well.
Yes.
Because me always even tell you, so enough time when I go to school, I meet out on the plaza, I do my road beat, and him come out on lunchtime, I get to eat my lunch, and just stand up and watch me for the whole hour. And then when school bell ring, I have to go back in that class and I eat the lunch because you just watch Buru for the whole hour.
Yeah.
So,
I take notes.
Yeah.
Alright. Coming up still, I always say Buru always been chauffeured all over the place. We never yet say Buju drive. Buru drive yet. Why you never, drive?
No, well, I'll tell you the truth. I turn over car already,
Yeah.
I'm money, and from that.
Never. You never go back around and
no,
say.
No, I like.
That was when? What year?
Early 80s.
Yeah.
So now, in Jamaica now, because I never done anything that like everybody.
Yeah, but straight limousine style.
No,
chauffeur.
No, in Jamaica I don't have a license, so I just chauffeur driven.
Yes.
Camille is there.
Real star.
Yeah, man, a Camille driver, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you know you go most time. I mean, a woman, you see.
Yes.
Yeah, man, a Camille. So I just like that.
Yeah, man. Alright, Buru. We need to chop two with him now,
Yeah, man, everything.
Because the people them have view and people are listening and people are pre. So we're going to start off with the couscous rhythm as planned. Right?
Straight across the board.
Straight across the board right now and on the mixing board.
Yeah, man. A Sun City, Sun City Radio.
Yeah, man.
Buru Banton, they're on it right now. Yeah.
Alright.
Now you are love and not another. You may change, but I will never throw away stick before you cross the river. Original Buru Banton again. Hey, him go. Ribby bang, come ribby bang skeng, yes. Ribby bang, come ribby bang skeng, boom. Ribby bang, come ribby bang skeng. Come bidang badang bang, bully bang skeng. Take a set, Buru Banton, take a set, raga, take a set, road boys, take a set, lyrics Banton, take a set. Me no love how the young entertainer them a flex. To them one another, them a disrespect. I run competition and I run contest. Being a man of the DJ, we control the press. Bounty killer ride west in a bulletproof vest. Keep it on the profit man, put the slackness to rest. Luce and I left the flat in the hits, him gonna rest. But to the Banton, them never disrespect. Take a set, Buru Banton, take a set. I hear me now. That's the one part of the DJ world.
Yeah.
What Buru never used to like though. Because I'm the non-stop talker.
Yeah.
You get me? So,
Very cool.
because some man really pull up when him run out, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, seem like I'm build the tune on the Pro Tools and put on the chorus first and then and come after with the verse.
So when we're in the place right now, now pull up on a tune
Me
right
tell you
here.
when to pull it on.
Alright, good.
Straight across the board.
Straight across the board.
Yeah. Oh, God bless the man can't curse. From Psalms 23, we read them a verse. Buru Banton again. Hey, him say. Them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, bad mind, I go kill them. Them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, envious, it I go hang them. Say them lock the word and then the Banton come again. Straight through the gate, non-stop, I'm gonna get some man a weird tight pants. Who want them many illusion get the best of them. So if you pick me up, you lick me down, my bounce right back. Should I know by now, he's a hard nut to crack. I'm the old veteran, me still a launch the attack. I'm the cream of the crop and I am lyrically strapped. From my Kangal hat to me diamond socks. From the chain round me neck to me Rolex watch. When me touch pan the black, them say me have the city lock. With the musical keys like sugar mine hat. So hey, them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, bad mind, I go kill them. Them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, them fears it, I go end them. Say them lock the world and then they want to come again. Straight through the gate, non-stop, me gonna get some man a weird tight pants. Who want them a illusion get the best of them. But some a carry 4 or 5, some a boss Mark 10. But when you see the Banton, you see the legend. Who go check live, they put them round a cockburn pen. Them a circle see if you want go a new heaven. 5 and 5 or 10 now you feel have your girlfriend. Woman to woman, not no boy to no man. My father make the ink and him can't make the pen. Me tell them say no virgin no exist again. A Dan is a Dan and a skeng is a skeng. Someone a pray to them, but like a life it give them. No one DJ round a Japan Buru famous than the yet. Girl have a picture Buru name just like a emblem. Joe, them are no problem. Hold him. Straight. What I tell them now? Where am I gonna stay? Buru Banton, say something man. Parran them, 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 parran them. My band better than them and grow rougher than them. All them a moving and going, you know what me set the trend. My band weaker than them, dress slicker than them. Me are the leaf, me are the road, me are the branch, me are the step. What take them? Banton a true born legend. Enter the business 75 and that was way back when. What them? With me pipi banks gang. When Beanie and Bunty was just children. If you think I like a ask the generals gang. Me used to DJ Steromar from 10 till 10. From here no Jaro till the Eagle 8 pen. I'm the governor general, that means send me no bed. They take me Banton, me never take nothing for them. I'm the standard recommended ice grade off the blade. Start round a grand split. Hey, still better than them, grow rougher than them. All of them moving and going, you know what me set the trend. My band weaker than them, dress slicker than them. Me are the leaf, me are the root, me are the branch, me are the stem. Stand up like Daniel in the lion then walk alone. That means me no walk with men. Any boy in a rate, me no chat up to them. Bullet. Government. Straight. Yaga. If you can't do the time, don't study about the crime.
Alright.
Veteran, I tell you that. And him say, you ribby bam, scan, yes. You ribby bam, scan, boom. You ribby bam, scan, lad. You ribby bam, scan, beg you. Settle yourself with your John and your 9 and your rude boy. body and your gangster mind. Cause no foot a burn and no fruit a shine. You them at the world, them have them gangster mind. No for walk it barrel gun, some a walk with 9. But them black it off fi polish and them black it off fi shine. Black it off fi itch up on them back all the time. If you can't do the time, no study about the crime. Cause the lyrics when we talk, new the design. Got tell them Buru Banton him a one of a kind. Come a New York just to spend a little time. Sit down in a club, drink expensive wine. Tell them Jamaica, rest on my mind. Come on, want see the pretty golden sunshine. Make you settle yourself. Hold him. Yeah, man. No, yeah, go to her. Now they give back the rhythm.
Alright, oh, sorry.
Boy. Yeah, me now. When me a go here now, me a go run a school. Lord. Here the bank come, here the bank scan, yes. Here the bank come, here the bank scan, boom. Here the bank come, here the bank scan. Me a whole road boy still have it in my cranium. Ram up your dance and cock up your stadium. Me no borrow ice, me no beg platinum. Pay for that cash and left my gold them for rotten down. Mentally sick, they put me in the asylum. Me no carry water gun, me no chew bubble gum. I'm talking in 20, for me just a come. No get dumb, twisted and me left them. Baby stuck, girl of my choices. Me draw for my condom, rubber for my ISIS and my condominium. Benz and Rolls Royces, made of titanium. My advices, say they wanna be my spot. Hold him. Yo. Buru Banton, I tell them, man. Straight across the board. Old Buru Banton start a symposium. Tell the politicians every please leave the podium. Time get hard, man, sadder than sodium. Get proactive, radioactive like radium. Talking bold, I give them an Imodium. Some half key, drinking white rum. Keep it and start the fire down, man. That's it cut out about cat tongue. Me we pick it plum, but me never say yum. Buru never say yum, Buru never say yum. Me we pick the plum, but me never say yum. Buru never say yum, Buru never say yum. Old Buru Banton start a symposium. On a politician tell him please leave the podium. Time get hard, man, sadder than sodium. Get proactive, radioactive like radium. Talking bold, I give them an Imodium. Some half key, drinking white rum. Keep it and start the fire down, man. Like a cut out the whole cat. Me we pick it plum, but me never say yum. Buru never. Hold him. Street sweeper.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And the old veteran. And Jamaica, you're supposed to know that one, yeah. Sun City Radio. Yeah, man, them a boss Buru again. Boom, what is? What that Buru Banton a shot? Boom, what is? What that Buru Banton a shot? Boom, what is? What that shot a respect? Hold it. Now this is the original Buru Banton for years. We are cry without tears, man. Big up. Leno Banton. Never talk about my brown jaja low, say me black. Me slim, me tell them Buru Banton no fat. Me DJ fi ball head and dreadlocks. I carry weed fat in a me diamond socks. Favorite color that a yellow and black. And when me go a show, yes, me sit down in a box. Show where me watch star by silver fox. Me better than the sing out of a gyal a what. The trouble raw, why you stay above to get shot? You hang a man, you hang him high in a tree top. A sound dead drop a Buru Banton do that. It must be the lyrics that a Buru him shot. Come slim and me no fat, and my culture me no slack. But I man as a DJ know me not turn back. Say ticka tack we make the people them rock. The jack up from the bottom and a roll any flap. But tell them Buru Banton a the cream of the crop. And anytime I pass yes the road of it. Boom what this, what that a Buru Banton a chat. Boom what this, what that a Buru Banton a shot. Boom what this, what that chat me respect me notch. Two of us if the coke and enough of make me rock. Enough of them and one like them a bubble dreadlocks. Say that's the I God, enough of them did a mock. Enough of them a wolf man in a shape rock. We still a sniff coke and still a melt rock. Still a fall of bricks and them a eat and the frack. You have to hold them, beat them body, but have the dreadlocks. And raise them out as a year with a barrage a shot. Two of them a sting Buru Banton a shot. Me coming like a mountain where below the rock. Me coming like a nutter where you just can't crack. Me coming like a 16 with a stop fire. Boom what this, what that a Buru Banton. Hold it. Yeah man, Sun City Radio. Sun City. I don't know. Ganja is just a natural mystic. Say if you're not a coke in your family. Anywhere they in your car. Anywhere they in your house. You can burn some light and do a deal. Rivet it up. All of the chronic smokers. And the Vention Buru Banton I tell them man. And I'm going to tell them something you know. You hear him sing about ganja. Phenomenon one, me spar with pure ganja man. Phenomenon two, pure ganja girl in my crow. Phenomenon three, it's all about the weed and me. Phenomenon pass me kiki. It's a phenomenon round for my ends. Me I want you to have pure ganja friends. Say pure ganja trend, have ganja blends. Ganja make me transcendent. Well, jumping on me car, I'm gonna ganja war. Me and 25 ganja gangster apart. Digital website, ganja site, solar. Ganja man a spar with Escobar. Phenomenon one, me spar with pure ganja man. Phenomenon two, pure ganja gal in my crew. Phenomenon three, it's all about the weed and me. Phenomenon, pass me kiki. Something herb me and nurture, kiki me feature. When me see my eyes, you know, say me a weed creature. How the core breacher, man I get freak, man be think wiser and stick to them. Uptown and downtown in some country square. London and New York, you find the ganja there. Every 2 or 10 we see in a Buckingham Square. And a 20 weed plant come up here. Well, the weed in my brain, you can't get it out there. I get red, not even eye drops clear. When I burn the weed, me have a happy new year. One more weed, hold it. Get tired now, get tired.
Yeah man. Yes man, Buru Banton in the building man.
Yeah man.
Yes.
Straight across the board.
Straight across the board.
Nothing about it in a lead, you know. Button up shirt, my pants to carry seam.
Yeah.
And get a watch my clean light, chlorine.
Alright.
Ear dry down from watch your tear up jeans.
You see that?
What of them? What of them?
Yeah man.
I'm still in the thing.
Yeah.
You don't watch your age. Don't watch your age, I'm still on the front page.
Alright, so tell us, any upcoming events planned in the making?
No, I never have my corona work, you know.
Yeah.
Because I'm still kind of afraid of the crowd, because if you look on me, I have everything, so I walk down me. I have everything on my side and all that stuff.
Sanitizer, you have your mask.
I have my mask, you know.
Yeah.
So, I'm lucky to forget me inside here.
Yeah, man.
Believe it, because I don't go
And
shot.
we give thanks.
I don't go shot people the right now.
True.
Believe it, you know.
Yeah.
Because I like this thing, I have to go away.
Yes.
Because I see enough people out the road, I take it like it's a joke. But I don't know if they really have the internet or they have a good TV.
Yeah.
That's something that on it, with the cable, and I watch it every day. And see that in America it's going up again, and in Canada it's going up again.
Yeah.
And some place around Europe and Asia, it'll go up again. So I'm kind of afraid for my country because some things happen but I never really like, you know. Because the truth, when I say it not for that, but I will have it, yeah. Nobody from foreign never carry nothing come give it.
Yeah.
Believe it. Because me don't even ask the government, that's one thing. So when the people them come, just ask them, say, anybody who want to come to Jamaica, they must can buy hotel room for 14 days and quarantine yourself. So we can get to see over what you're doing. Because if I go into a next man country and them tell me about for quarantine, I mean, if I really come out there for quarantine, I go a dance same way. No man tell me nothing, I go to the little girl. Can't that come there for?
Yeah.
That's the truth. So that part there, I like them for just most there. When the people are coming here, them for can just pay them way. Like when they pay them plane fare.
Yes.
Find a barn in Jamaica. They for quarantine for 14 days.
Well, 14 days.
Yeah, and feed yourself.
Yeah.
That's my country now to feed you. And you want to come to my country now. And I accept you.
Yeah.
So let's do the rest now.
Tourism.
Please. I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Yeah man, big up, you know.
Alright, but we're talking enough respect. Anyone you want to big up?
Yeah man, straight across the board. You know, top quality. Top quality. You see all of them man that were trim over there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah man. A Buru Banton barber them.
Yeah.
Straight, you know. Nando, big up.
Yeah.
Every time. You know, see it.
Top quality, what happens?
Then I have to go again now, you know, I have to big up some of the studio them.
Yeah.
Or sit down at daytime. Like on a sound wave, with a crossroad. Famous, you know, see it. Them studio there. When I go there daytime, I saw we make the little money. Because dub studio them place here. Up a Jara, you know. So I have to big them up because them help me to seem like how me help them.
Yes.
Because one and wash the other and two of them wash your face. You know, see it, so big up. No, don't laugh at me, don't laugh.
No, man, the slogan bad. It's bad. We're take notes, we're not laugh. We're take notes.
Believe it, you know.
So we can't go and say the same
man.
thing. I big up yourself, Buru Banton. Thanks for passing through, you know what I mean?
Yeah, Leno Banton.
Yeah.
The real Banton, you know?
Leno Banton.
Yeah, wanna come out of my back.
Yeah. That's at the sun.
Yeah. Boom.
Out of the Banton family, you know what I mean?
Straight across the board. Bless up.
Alright, bless up yourself. Big up yourself, Buru Banton. Thanks for passing through. You know what I mean? Big up to everyone right now locked in. Remember, it's all about the Radio State Show series. You know what I mean? So you don't know, you just heard from, you know, Buru Banton. You know what I mean? The legendary Buru Banton. You already talk about Leno Banton. You know, I'm going to play the song right now by father and son. You know, this one is called Better Things by Buru Banton and his son, Leno Banton.
Richie Bang, come here, Leno Banton, requisition again, right? Everybody bang, come, Rippy Bang, Buru Banton, my father, and the living legend. No one rifle wave, more serious to be. Peace and love in the community. Some right on the day, me no want to read right now.